I'm going to show you another way to use our organic liquid acai. In a previous video, I show you can add the liquid acai into ice cube trays. So we have them frozen. And we made cubes out of it, frozen cubes. So this way you can do portion control. So I'm gonna add some of these cubes in our blender. And this time, because I'm using the frozen shelf-stable acai, I'm going to add some fresh mangoes to my recipe. Finally, gonna add a splash of apple juice just to make it easier for blending. So after blending to smooth, I'm gonna be ready to pour my acai bowl, and I'm gonna put my favorite tops, and I'm making a tropical mango one, so I'm gonna put some fresh mangoes. I'm gonna add some granola as well. And you know what is really healthy for you? Some bee pollen. So I'm gonna add a little bit of bee pollen. And my shelf-stable organic acai bowl, tropical mango, is ready to eat.